Hi everyone, I'm Jody and this is Jody Rose Studio, from which I do a lot of things, but today I'm here to talk to you about a transformative art journal technique that is as simple as doing the common doodle. So even if you think that you're not creative or that you can't draw, this is a technique that can be effective for you. So basically where I'm at in life is I'm feeling pretty tired. I've been on kind of a roller coaster ride of just not sleeping well. My weight's all over the place. I'm exhausted. I feel like I'm not getting things done. This is stuff that I'm hearing from a lot of other people, so I thought that by sharing this drawing practice today, maybe it would be helpful for you. It basically starts with just doing a big scribble and then accentuating shapes that emerge for you. And you can see this is not technical. It's not that detailed. It's really just about going for the images and then journaling with them to see what wisdom they have to share with you. So you can see that I had these like musical notes. I was thinking of this shape as like a treble clef, and then this teardrop. So I'm feeling, sad about this cycle that I'm on. The next step is to journal with the image and to talk with the image as if it's a friend, essentially. So I do this and I teach this in the manner of writing a letter back and forth between you and the doodle. And basically, this was talking about tempo. That, of course, the pace is way too fast. I think in life, I'm like the piccolo, like all up here, everything's all up here, da, 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 da. And the drawing said to find the bass notes. And the bass notes would be like the heartbeats in life. Find those bass notes: sleeping, finding a rhythm with eating, doing yoga, regular walks, meditation, and reading. Now that can seem sort of like a no-brainer, but sometimes those things fall out of priority when we're looking, to mark everything off of the task list. So this drawing basically instructed me how to prioritize through the metaphor of layers of music, which I love because music doesn't really come through in my drawings ever. So this is like pretty exciting and unique for today. And it also mentioned to not try to accomplish all of things at once, so to like have a slow crescendo. And it also suggested ways to take more pauses or rest notes. So that's pretty awesome. It took me literally about 7 minutes to do this and to just gain the wisdom from the piece. When we do this practice, we commit to something that the journal has to say or that the drawing has to say. And so my commitment is to really focus on that bass rhythm, to ground all of this frenetic stuff that's on top so that I can have a song that isn't quite so sad. If you're curious about this technique and how it can work for you, I explain it in depth in my book, The Doodles Code. And it is primarily an art journal. It has a very brief description as to how to do techniques like this and how to journal with the artwork. And then it's got about 10 different specific art prompts. And from there's like over 100 pages to do your own art journal technique. This is a totally transformative practice if you do it with consistency. And so that's why I created this book, to help you do just that. So you can find that on my website, jodyrosestudio.com. If you are interested or have questions about this process, please feel welcome to message me. I'd love to hear from you. And that's all for today. So slow things down, take a pause, find the bass notes in your life, have rhythm and consistency, and maybe your life will start sounding like a different tune. Take care.